I'm going to repair that pipe right there. That I just had to break when I moved that palm tree over there. For that little mini project, I bought this thing. This end slides out. Right now I'm wondering why the manufacturer has to put the sticker right where you need to glue a fitting. Why? Now I'll go clean the adhesive off of here, you idiots. After I glue this on here, it'll be that distance. Then I can cut the broken pipe. And then once I get in there, this thing will extend. And then I tighten this guy, and we have a sealed pipe, I hope. I really don't think I'm going to be able to use this part. I don't think I'm going to be able to get it back here. I hope I can. Give it a shot. I got to figure out how to cut this thing. I think I can get this. I put the fat end on this side. Hope so. It's a little snug. No. Come on. Yeah. I think that'll work. Now I tighten this guy, and there's an O-ring in there. That's it. Lesson learned for the 10th time. Don't break pipes when you're digging around in the ground. It's not fun fixing them. I have full water pressure on. I've cycled each one of these guys and none of them are leaking. Additionally, that fix worked. That's cool. I think I'm done.